Want a blueprint to simplify complex systems? Meet the C4 model, the go-to method for clear, scalable software architecture. In just 2 minutes, I'll walk you through this 4-layer approach that's transforming how developers visualize their software systems. We start with the system context diagram, which gives you a high-level view of your system's environment. Picture your system as a box in the center, surrounded by users and other interacting systems. Next, we zoom into the container diagram. Containers are deployable units like web apps, databases, or mobile apps. This diagram illustrates how major components interact and communicate, ideal for developers and operations teams. Going further, the component diagram breaks each container into structural blocks, showing responsibilities and connections. This step highlights the core building blocks within each container. Finally, the code diagram provides a deeper dive, showing how components implement code. Though optional, this level offers detailed insight for crucial or complex areas. And that's the C4 model. With each layer, you gain clarity and structure, making it easier to communicate, build, and maintain software architecture. Ready to put it to use?